YouTube. Got something else in the mail, y'all. What that say? Aries Mac? Let's see what this is, y'all. Yes, sir. You know your boy had to get that cold air intake for that 5.3 though. Aries, you know your Aries gotta rock the Aries now. Nah, but anyways, had to do it. What that, 3 inch, maybe 4? Hold on, let's go get the tape measure real quick. Actually 3.5, y'all. So let's go install this thing, man. Now, what's more better than installing a cold air intake in the cold weather? Ooh, snow is coming, y'all. Snow is coming. Don't mind these leaves, man. Look at the damn trees. Anyways, let's get to it. You know your boy got you on the time lapse, so let's get to it, y'all. Here's the before. Oh, you see them 2 alternators. And here's the after. First thing y'all want to do is go ahead and rip this cup off. And it's, oh God, it's cold as hell out here right now, so let's see what we on here. Okay. Heater cord lines, you want to mess those up just like that. Of course, you got 2 hooks in the back that it slides into. You got 1, 2. Snaps into place right there. So you lift up and pull. So let's get this intake off. Look at all this restriction though. Good God. Come on, GM. What's up with the restriction, y'all? Let's change this. Grab your 8 and get to it. Off. 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 Plug the sensor. Just like that. Remember, your arrow. If you put this thing on wrong, your truck gonna be running like me. Make sure you put it on right, y'all. That's your master sensor. And there you have it. Pull it out just like that. Basura! You got the goal, my friend. Bye-bye. Of course, the air box just lifts right up. Right up out here, just like this. One hand, you got it. Ain't no rats down there, is it? Gucci. And that's it. Put this thing on here. Yeah, I'm throttle body not too bad. But that thing was gonna be dirty. But whatever you do not touch the butterfly. With these ones that are drive-by wire, boy oh boy, you touch that butterfly, your shit ain't gonna stop. Putting the rubber couplings on since it's cold as hell out here. Ain't got no sun, bro. I'm sitting here fighting with it. And I don't want to heat it up or nothing because, yeah, I just want to get it up. Hey. Take that tray up out of there. Bye-bye, you go. No more, no more. This is why us mechanics always have extra bolts, nuts, and screws. Because look, shit, aftermarket shit don't be lining up right. So after you take that tray out, you can only get those 2 lined in. I mean, it's in there. It ain't going nowhere, but they don't line up. And if you want, you can bend this or whatever, but I'm not gonna bend mine and have this tweaked this way. I want my shit straight. Keep my shit straight, bitch ass nigga. Nah, but yeah, this is why, yo. 210 down there. All right, let's finish this thing. It's cold. Look. See that? Yeah, it's cold. No, you have to use that stock rubber coupler. You have to put it on this filter. Slides right in. That's why that plastic looks just like that on this one. Go ahead and put that on there. Put it on your mass airflow like that. Bada bing, bada boom. The other coupler goes right there to the intake. Bam. Alright, y'all, just like that, intake complete. Aries. Don't ever do this in the cold, man. This is the longest intake I have ever done. But yeah, every time I done it was in the summer, but everything tight. Got your hose down up in there, tight. We Gucci trying to start it. Yeah, I ain't gonna really be able to hear the difference because I got a muffler delete, but